We all know ChatGPT. We've used it to write emails, plan trips, and even help with homework. It feels like magic, right? You type a question and it gives you a perfect answer. But have you ever stopped to wonder, how does it actually work? Is it a super smart robot or is it just a search engine? The answer might surprise you. Stick around, because we are going to break down the complex system behind ChatGPT into 7 simple explanations. You'll understand the magic in just a few minutes. First, let's get one thing straight. ChatGPT is not a search engine. It doesn't just search the internet and pull up an answer. Instead, it's a large language model, or LLM. Think of it like a giant digital brain. It's been trained on a massive amount of text from the internet, books and articles. This training lets it learn about language, patterns, and how words fit together. The name itself tells us a lot. GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Generative, this means it creates new text. It's not just retrieving information, it generates a unique response for you. Pre-trained, it was trained on the huge datasets before you ever started talking to it. This gives it a huge head start. Transformer, this is a technical part. It's the architecture that lets the model pay attention to different parts of a sentence, making its answers more accurate and natural. The training process has 2 main stages. Stage 1 is all about the data. ChatGPT was fed information from a truly massive amount of text. This includes websites, articles, books, and more. This is how it learns grammar, facts, and different writing styles. This is pre-trained part of the name. After the initial training, a team of human trainers steps in. They might ask a question and then give the AI's response a score. This teaches the model what a good answer looks like, one that's helpful, safe, and accurate. This human feedback is a key part of what makes ChatGPT so useful today. Here a few quick facts you should know. ChatGPT can access the internet in real time. This helps it give you the latest information. It uses your conversations to get better. Don't worry, you can always turn this off in your settings. And most importantly, it's not perfect. It can make mistakes, so always fast check important information. So, there you have it, the simple truth behind the complex system. The next time you use ChatGPT, you'll know exactly what's going on behind the scenes. What do you use ChatGPT for? Let us know in the comments below, and if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to hit subscribe button. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.